Okay, today we have N2 by NOTL, NOTL. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce that, but there we go. So it's this nice rim cylinder. Yeah, now this will hopefully be one of the last videos I make in this format because I finally bothered to spend the money and get an actual camera holding setup instead of some jank. So it's about time my videos were slightly more professional looking. A little bit of a false set off that one. Now I have picked this just the one time successfully, so I thought, oh, better come and try and film it while I've got it fresh. So a bit of a spool action off these front pins. I'm pretty sure there's something at least a little bit tapered in there. Probably some threading. So I'm using a multi-pick, this nice really steep one in 0.4. The keyway is really open down the bottom, so you can get under everything quite nicely, but you do need a thin pick to do it. And a 0.6 mil doesn't really fit properly. Now, I do happen to know that this lock violates max, which is maximum adjacent cut, but how close two cuts on a key can be together. Most locks have a limit on that to keep the smooth operation. That was a nice little spool action there. So yes, it's good courtesy if you are making a challenge lock and you're making your own key that you should pay attention to it, or if you are going to completely violate it, which is fine, you should. Good spool there. Should probably disclose that. So as a result of knowing that, I went in with the theory that it's probably going to be a zero lift on pin 4 and probably going to be a very high lift on pin 5. So as much as possible, I am avoiding touching pin 5. Come on. Three. Oh, there we go. Tiny tap out of that rear pin and pretty clearly open. All right. Put the picks away. Let's slide this pinning. Oh, sorry, camera wobble. Like I said, dodgy filming setup. Hopefully, I will have my new setup by Christmas or just afterwards. All right, let's get a Phillips head screw on the back. Try and gut it without the key, just so because alright, get that clip off, stick a shim in. Always a good idea to shim a lock you've never gutted. Never know what you're going to find. Shims are cheap, always be shimming. Okay, slide this follower over like that. is that going that way? Pay attention to which way the key pins are. Beautiful. Alright. So we've dropped a master wafer. Out of 4. Okay, so let's dump these key pins. So that's a good sign. That means there was a bit of a grace built in, I guess, and I did not need it. 3. Also looks like this would have been easier to pick in one direction rather than the other. Pin stuck. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a long key pin and a very short pin. All right, so let's quickly look at the core. We've got threading. See, this is why I need a new camera mount. Threading on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we've got this channel cut in going this way. No channel here and no threading on that one. So obviously the intention is for that to overset. So, but I picked it going, I did pick it that way. So the channel may have helped. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at these driver pins. Some tweezers, get that, slide the shim out. Okay, pin 1. Oh yeah, that explains things. Whoa. All right, that's a hell of a pin. Threaded, spooled. It almost looks like 2 pins bolted together. Come on, get out, springs. There's not the tweezers. And springs are sometimes quite hard to get out. There we go. Two, 3, shit, gonna have to ask Roon Picker, who sent this to me, to tell me which way up some of these were supposed to be in, because these last 2 I've sort of dumped down the wrong way. I suspect that's the correct way. That's probably upside down. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's upside down. I don't know. Okay. Oop. This one I know. That's a T-pin. Yeah, that makes sense for that channel then. And the last pin is like a serrated tapered pin. And okay, great. So core mods, any? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay, so just a standard core. Nothing special there. Let's just arrange these pins a bit. So, okay. I'm going to try and bring this up to the camera rather than the other way around. If this goes horribly, I will attach a photo. Oh, God. Well, there they are. I think that's going to be hopeless, and I'll attach a photo as per usual with this setup. Thanks for watching. Oh, and yes, this was sent to me by Roon. You should definitely be watching his videos if you are not already. He's very, very talented at picking challenge locks. I'll put a link to his channel in the description as well. Thanks.